So we get a lot of questions from pest control companies on how they can utilize ArcSite to actually create their pest graphs and at the same time actually complete their WDO and WDI forms that are required by their specific municipalities or state. The great news is that ArcSite can fit right into your current process and you can fully prep and complete these forms all within ArcSite while you create your pest graphs. So let's walk through a really quick example of what this looks like and how it's done. So first you're going to start by creating your pest graph for the property. ArcSite's going to make this super easy. It actually allows you to add in any bait stations or other required services for the property. You can even add in photos or annotations, even text, to document any conducive conditions that you find or specific current problem areas. You're then going to open up your custom shape library. That's where you're going to select the form that's required by your state or municipality. It's one that we've already built out in this example for the state of Texas, but you can set up your own, and once it's built out, you can reuse it on every single job. Before that form is actually generated, you can enter in some necessary information about the job, the quote, or your specific customer. And again, any information that you enter here in this form is going to be immediately populated on the actual document as you type it in. From there, you can actually drag and drop your form on top of your drawing so your graph is placed exactly where it's required by your state. And then your rep can zoom in on the form and actually complete it just like they would with pen and paper, including handwriting or typed out text or even check marks for required fields. If it is required, like in this example, your rep can actually have the customer sign or the rep can sign directly on the tablet or mobile device that you're using. And then finally, once your graph is completed and ready to go, you can add in any additional information to be included in your WDO and WDI forms on the field data collection section inside of ArcSite. This is going to map the data you enter directly onto the form that you export. And note that certain variables can either be set as required or optional variables. Finally, it's time to export the document. What you're going to do is hit the Start button and then select the actual template that you want to export here. ArcSite's going to generate the full PDF document with all the fields completed that you typed in and all of your detailed graph and photos included. From here, you can print it and send it into your state, or you can email it directly to them. It's just that quick and easy. If you have any questions about this process or want to learn more, please reach out to schedule a personalized demo at arcsite.com.